Okay, this is the body side outer parts. Okay, the same kind of operations only. You can go through the video how this body side outer parts are getting stamped. Okay, if you want, I will show this video for your reference. Okay, so this is the each line, each stamping tool. First, it's a blanking, then it is getting forming, stamping operation. Then they will remove the excessive material from the stamped part. This is the stamped part. They will try to remove excessive material. This is trimming operation. Additionally, this is flanging operation. They will make a flange. After trimming, flanging will be happen. Then this is the cam trimming operation. So cam flanging. This is the cam flanging operation. This is cam trimming operation. Remove excessive material. Finally, we will get to the BAW body side outer. Okay. So let me give some small glimpses of the press. Okay. This is usually we have a three types of presses. Okay. The one is progressive press. Number two, it's a transfer press. Number three, it's a manual press. Okay. In this single video itself, we can see two type of presses. This is manual press. The operator will manually feed the blank to the stamping tool. Once they feed, they will apply the load. Then they will collect the part. Then they will feed into next line. This is called a manual press. This is called manual press. Okay. This is transfer press. This transfer press, what will happen? So once you feed the blank, okay, so this automatically, this one, it will be collected and it will be transferred into next line. There trimming will be happen. Again, it will be automatically collected and feed. Like this, separate chamber will be there. Once one chamber, the stamping will be happen. Then automatically it will transfer into the next chamber. In the next chamber, same like upper die and lower die will be there for trimming. That operation will be happen. Then it will be continuously transferred until we get the final part. The part will keep on transfer from one chamber to another chamber. Finally, we will receive the part. This is a little bit automated one compared to the manual press. This is high cost tool. That is average cost tool. Okay. So for the lower or the bigger size part with the lower volume, they prefer to go with manual press. The medium size part, okay, which can be highly automated, okay, they will go for transfer press. Okay, this one, the production rate will be higher than the manual press. So this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chambers will be there. Once you feed the material, here stamping will be happen. Here trimming will be happen. Next the piercing, flanging, cam flanging or cam trimming. Finally, we will get the output in this area. Okay, and finally, I will explain about the progressive press. Okay, the progressive press for the small parts and all, they prefer to go with this progressive press only. Okay. Here, the strip will be there. This will be automatically feed. You can get each and every press. Okay, you will get the final part. I will explain through the another video. Then you see this video, you can understand even better. This is the small bracket, the stamping bracket. Okay, this is the upper die and this is the lower die. This is the roller sheet that has been stretched. In this stage, okay, in order to get the final product, there are multiple sequence of operations they will conduct. Okay, at each stamping, there will be one operation will be happen. For example, this is the 12th operation. This is the 11th one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So these 12 operations will be happen at a single press itself. For the 12th part, final operation. For the 11th part, the before operation will be happen. So whenever they keep on feed, okay, for one part, any one of the operations will be happen. So we continuously get to the final part while you press. Yeah, so this will be suitable for the small brackets or the small reinforcements. So this is the press bed. This is the lower press. This is the tool arrangement. So at each stages, what all the operations are getting happen, that has been explained here. Now, if you see this one, this is the real tool. The operator, they will keep on feed the stamp report. Okay, at each stage, one operation will be happen, and finally, we will collect the stamp report. This is called as a progressive press. This is highly automated one. The less complex and the small parts can be made through the progressive press. Hope you understand the difference between these three.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the interview, sometimes I used to face this kind of questions. How they will show some parts, how this part will be made, what are the stamping operations, which type of press you will use. Like this kind of questions I have been already encountered. So that's the reason I am explaining these topics to you.